Mac Air, now we got a Mac Pro at home, right? The problem is they both are i5 911 Turbo S. No thanks. I don't like Porsche, I don't like Corvette. I like Audi. They're hot. Mercedes ugly as well. Yeah, this is like ugly. That's sexy. Refurbished right now. We have another one in our homes. So this is a MacBook Air Space Gray, right? Yep. All right, thank you. All right, guys, so we got a MacBook Air Space Gray over here that look kind of like this size right here. What is this noise? Are you okay, bro? What happened? That is some serious throttling going on. But what is running in the background? What happened? Apple's probably taking all the personal data from the background. Word. That's right. We have one right there. This, we have that, the wire already. And here you go. Taking it out is always a mess. It's a little skinny difference on it, as you see. Much more thicker. It's much more thicker. So this is the touch strip right there. That's about to light up right now. Look at that. The brightness for the keyboard. That's the launch pad. Then what is that? That's the control center, I think. That's the brightness. I am going back home. Going back home. Where's emoji? Come on, anything emoji. That's emoji right there. Emoji and boom. If I click this, it's kind of heavy, by the way. Man, heavy. And peace out.